Walmart gift card support ticket marked as closed means the request has been completed in the support system, but it does not always mean the gift card issue has been resolved. By the end, you'll know how to review a closed Walmart gift card ticket, what details to check, and what steps to take if your gift card problem is still active. Start by opening your Walmart account or support history and reviewing the closed ticket details. Check the messages, responses, and any updates connected to your gift card request. Look for the reason the ticket was closed. The response may explain whether the issue was fixed, whether more information was needed, or whether the request was completed without a resolution. Next, check the exact gift card problem you reported. Common issues can involve a gift card balance, activation, redemption, payment attempts, or a gift card that is not working as expected. Review your gift card information before contacting support again. Check the gift card number, purchase details, receipt information, and any confirmation messages connected to the card. If the issue is still happening, prepare the details support needs to investigate. Include when the problem started, what you tried to do, what message appeared, and the previous ticket information. Providing complete details helps support understand the issue without asking you to repeat every step. If your Walmart gift card ticket was closed but the problem remains, contact Walmart support again and explain that the previous request was closed while the issue is still unresolved. Keep your explanation specific. Instead of saying the gift card does not work, describe the exact problem, such as whether the card is not showing the expected balance or whether a transaction is not completing. You should also keep copies of your purchase receipt, gift card details, screenshots, and support messages. These records can help verify the issue during follow-up communication. Avoid deleting old support messages because they may contain important information about what was already reviewed. The main points are simple. First, a closed Walmart gift card ticket only shows the request status, not always a completed solution. Second, review the ticket response and confirm the exact gift card problem. Third, follow up with Walmart support using detailed information if the issue continues. Your next step is to open the closed ticket, collect your gift card records, and contact support again if the problem has not been fixed. If this guide helped you resolve a Walmart gift card issue, like the video and subscribe for more practical account troubleshooting guides.